let's make a Father's Day gift basket for my dad.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Welcome back to another video. If you love thrifted, secondhand, and vintage fashion taken to another level, then you're in the right place, guaranteed. I hope you guys can see me. I am dressed very casual today because we are going to the Dollar Tree to pick up some items to make a Father's Day gift basket for my dad. So this is a collaboration with my girl Felicia from BOK Media. I'll talk about her a little bit later in the video. We are going to the dollar store. I'm going to bring you guys with me. I'm looking for items to put together to make a gift basket for my dad for Father's Day. And this is going to be interesting because I can't just grab anything for my dad. Let me tell you a little bit about him because this has to be a little bit more curated than the normal Father's Day gifts. So the first thing I will tell you about my dad, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. He has been through a lot in his life, and I think that's where I get my motivation, determination, drive from, because he is definitely someone that keeps going and keep fighting. If you've been around for a while, you know that I lost my mom when I was a year old. So he had to take on being a father to 3 small itty bitty kids. He was not prepared for that. So he had to make sure that he put a roof over our heads, put food in our mouths, all of that. I want to say 2005, he had a major stroke. So since that time, he's been suffering from dementia and a lot of other things. So he's been in and out of assisted living homes for the last 20 years now, and he's still fighting. He's still here. He's still getting through. And a lot of things I will say I didn't understand about my dad growing up, I very much understand now as an adult. A lot of things that he was taking on, he had to battle with, I understand a lot more now. So I'll say that without getting too personal. As I mentioned, he did have a stroke and he has health problems. So that's why I say this gift basket has to be curated in a different type of way. So I have to make sure that I'm getting items that doesn't have sugar. He's like me. Well, I probably got this from him, but I love Coke. I love Coke. He cannot drink Coke, but he loves Coke. He was drinking Coke Zero, but he can't do that anymore. So we're going to try to find some items that we can substitute that Coke Zero for. We're going to try to get him some comfy stuff like some socks and things like that, and a cute little card. And I'm probably going to put a picture of all of us because this gift basket is a gift from me and my sister. So I'm going to try to put a picture of all of us in there with it. So let's see how this goes. You're going to come with me. Let's see what we can find at the Dollar Tree to make this gift basket. So today's collab is with none other than Felicia from BOK Media Life and BOK Media Life Food Freaks. She has 2 channels, and let's talk about her main channel first. So her main channel is BOK Media Life, which is her DIY channel. She creates the most amazing high-end home decor, lamps, anything you can think of, she creates. Then she has a second channel, which is her food channel. She takes us along on food grocery trips, and she shows the most amazing, you would never guess these items were in the grocery store, the items that she showcased. And she also does a lot of lives. She does a lot of cooking lives. So definitely, if you are a foodie, check out that channel. Check out both her channels. I will link them below. It is a few days later. Yes, my pictures are all disrespecting me. Look at Sierra just in the couch. In the couch. But it is a few days later. I'm about to put together the gift basket for my dad so that I can send it out before Father's Day. I'm going to show you guys that process. I'm not coming back on camera, so definitely remember to like, subscribe, leave comments. Let me know what you're going to do for your dad. Or any fathers in your lives, because I know some of us don't have both parents, or some of us don't have parents on this earth at all. So I do understand that, believe me, more than anyone. So let me know what you're gonna do for your father or any fathers in your life, like your brother, your uncles, your sons, whoever. You know what I'm saying? For Father's Day. And yeah, so have a good night, have a good day, have a good week, have a good weekend, have a good weekday, and I will holler at you guys later. Let me do that over. I'll holler at you guys later. So I'm starting out with this kind of confetti like filler, and I got it in black and white because I also opted for this black container. I thought it would be a great idea because the assisted living home can use it for storage after my dad uses up everything that I'm going to put in it. So yeah, I just thought this was a good idea. It is going to be multi-useful, I guess you could say. And then I got these Welch's grape juice drinks because, like I said before, I would normally give him Coke Zero, but he's not going to be able to drink that. And I'm not so sure this is even better, but my sister actually gave me that idea. And then I'm going to throw in these boxes of whole grain snacks. I'm not sure if he can eat these either, but I know that these are better than like oatmeal pies or anything like that he used to love. So I'm gonna pack those in as well. And then I just grabbed up some super cute socks. You guys know that I love Dollar Tree socks. My girl Felicia actually gifted me a lot of Dollar Tree socks, and my Dollar Tree actually now has those type of socks. But I decided to opt for the Bugs Bunny one for my dad, and then I decided to opt for this Bob Ross one because my dad used to have a lot of like painting and drawing instructional books when I was little. He would have those all over the place, so I just thought that was a cute touch. And then I just threw in these Cheez-It socks because I love Cheez-Its. And I also packed in these Mickey Mouse socks because if you didn't know, I used to love Mickey Mouse. I actually have a Mickey Mouse tattoo, but it's not about me, it's about my dad. So let's get back to him. But I packed those in, and then I decided to get some deodorant sticks because those are the type of things that he actually needs, like deodorant and body wash. I actually just sent him some body wash courtesy of my sister a few weeks ago, so he is good there, but I just decided to get him some of those as well. And then I packed in this cute little card. I don't remember what it says, and I couldn't read it that quick, but it was so cute. It said something about, I can't afford to buy you something grand, but I bought you this little card, which is amazing. So this is a closer view of the basket. Also, if I didn't say this, happy Father's Day to any fathers watching this video. Happy Father's Day to my brother as well. And yeah, I'll let you guys later.